Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be talking about the Bitcoin price action, where we have been seeing a very severe correction from off the 52,000 US dollars, and I will be talking about this critical level of resistance that we are right now retesting once again here as well. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin if right now forming several bearish divergences on the 1 hourly candles. I will be as well talk about our move that we catch yesterday. We broke out towards the upside of this descending triangle. We moved up here. We retested this level of resistance as support, and after retesting that level we started to move up very significantly, and of course we increased very beautiful towards our price target and even beyond here. So definitely beautiful to see this as well. I will be going over this 4 hourly chart over here. Looks to be previous resistance right now is flipping into support, and we're seeing very well touches from off this level and boosting the price action of Bitcoin once again a little bit more towards the upside as well. We'll be going over a different chart on a different way and a different approach of this chart, and of course I will be talking about the daily time frame on Bitcoin right now here. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Of course, the more people that are going to smash up the like button right now here, the more viral cryptocurrency videos will be going here. And of course, guys, the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going to go, the more people will be getting exposed as well to crypto. So make sure to smash it up right now here. And let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles here. So like you can see on this chart, previous resistance right now as well here. So yeah, this previous resistance line right now as well coming in play here around the 52,000 US dollars, providing very severe corrections for Bitcoin as well, together with the 52,000 psychological level of resistance. And this is going to be a major zone that we have to be breaking through. And right now, yeah, we are getting a rejection, and we will be waiting and see where the market is going to head towards from now on over here. So what we're seeing currently on the momentum indicators on Bitcoin is that, yes, we have been seeing a very severe spike towards the upside. The 1 hourly candles were going a little bit overbought over here. Like you can see, they were going in the 78 on the RSI index. Of course, it has way more room to grow here. But right now, after printing this previous candle just 1 hour ago, we of course formed a new high, a higher high on the price action, and as you can see here, we're forming a higher high on the price action. Well, the RSI is still forming a lower high. So yeah, the RSI is currently forming a bearish divergence, the money flow is currently forming a bearish divergence, and the MACD is forming a bearish divergence as well here. So yeah, it is up to you if you want to be paying attention towards these divergences right now here. But for sure, this is a signal right now that we're still losing strength in the trend here, on the 1 hourly candles at least. So on this current ongoing trend over here. So we could be maybe either see sideways action or a little bit downwards pressure, maybe back towards the 51.3k here, because this level over here is going to be for me a very huge zone here where I do expect Bitcoin to find some support on, because yeah, the 51.3k here is a very strong level of daily resistance, like you can see here in the past. Previous daily support, previous daily resistance, and this will be of course a major level for Bitcoin to most likely hold on towards. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on the 51.3k here, since this is going to be a very strong level of support, since we're right now trading above it. Of course, while we were trading below it, it was acting as resistance, but you can see we absolutely crushed through this level. So definitely lovely to see, of course. So let me as well move on for towards the next chart here, and that is of course this chart over here. Guys, yesterday we were talking about this descending triangle. Descending triangles are typical bearish bias patterns, but since we are right now of course still in this very strong bull market, you can see every single bearish indicator, every single bearish pattern is still breaking towards the upside. So yeah, this descending triangle as well broke towards the upside, and I told everyone yesterday, okay, if we're going to see a break towards the upside, you could be longing on this retest, and you can see clearly we got approximately 3 retests on this level, and you could have been opening a beautiful long position over here. Of course, this was going to give you a 2.2% trade here. If you were trading with Bybit, and let's say you're using a 20x leverage, you were getting a 44% increasement in your portfolio. So guys, if you want to be joining us with these trades here, because yes, this was a call that we literally yesterday made on the channel. You could be right now already signed up here with the link in the description here. If you're going to sign up with Bybit right now here, you will be getting of course a very beautiful deposit bonus right here. And if you're going to sign up with my link in the description here, you will be getting a 3,000 US dollars deposit bonus. You could be signing up your account already, and you could be depositing some funds. After that, you could be withdrawing these funds, or you could be using these funds to buy some spot on Bybit, and you can be leverage trading as well with us. And since we have been crushing the market, it would be lovely to join us, of course, as well. If you're not really into leverage trading, you could be as well spot trade here on Bybit, and you could be buy a lot of assets here. You can see all the assets right now on your screen. You can be accumulating them. So yeah, if you want to be just holding it, Bybit is as well definitely the right place to be. So make sure to already sign up here in the link description, so you're definitely not going to miss out on these very easy calls here, right? Because right now the market looks to be very easy to trade towards the upside, at least. If you want to be trading it towards the downside, you want to be, of course, extremely careful, even though I will be still remain a little bit bearish on the bigger time frames right now. But that's the thing that I will be talking about in a second. Yeah, what you can see right now here as well on the 4-hourly candles, guys, you can approach this chart like this. So resistance, resistance, resistance. 3 times we got rejected by this level, and the 4th time we, of course, broke above it. And right now we're finding very strong support on this level. So several times we're seeing this level providing us very good amounts of support on Bitcoin. For me, the major resistance target for Bitcoin is going to be the 52.3k here. This is going to be an extreme strong level of daily resistance, just like we were talking about the 51.3k as daily support. This is going to be, once again, daily resistance. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on this chart here, since if we're going to be able to break through that level, yes, we're probably going to see even another leg up here, but the 52.3k is going to be a major level of resistance. That is for sure a thing that you should be paying your attention towards right now here as well. You could be approaching this chart a little bit differently. You can see right now here we found resistance, resistance, and right now once again we found resistance again here. And so right now on this different chart here, you are seeing a little bit of a less significance on this touch point over here. But yeah, on this chart over here, you're seeing a little bit of less significance on this one. So yeah, for sure you could be approaching it both ways right now, in my opinion. So for me, what will be important for Bitcoin to do so is at least, of course, yeah, move above this range over here. But if we're going to move above it, the 55.3k here is as well going to be here around the corner. So yeah, if we're going to break above it, maybe we could be still creating a wick, because the 52.3k is going to be a major level of resistance. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention right now towards the chart here. I will be for sure look for a position to open here on the 52.3k here. Definitely can't wait to see how this will be reacting, of course, but definitely looking forward towards how Bitcoin is going to be performing here. Still going to say the 4-hourly time frame is still losing a little bit of its strength here on the current ongoing trend, because if you're looking back to Bitcoin, you can see right now, so over here, we moved in an uptrend, then we moved down, then we moved in an uptrend, then we move probably, in my opinion, down here, and then we could be moving up again here. So Bitcoin always have these waves towards the upside, towards the downside, the wave up, wave down. And right now, I personally do think that we will be getting another wave down here before potentially moving up once again here, or before potentially correcting even further towards the downside. So the reason why I'm currently thinking this here is because, yes, we earlier already got a trend reversal signal over here. Then we still moved up towards the upside, but right now we're getting an even stronger trend reversal signal. We are, of course, forming lower high, lower high, lower high. And this, of course, on the MACD. The MACD is purely a momentum indicator, and this is right now telling me, okay, we are losing the buying strength right now here, but still, I will be careful with shorting the market, but I only want to be raising the awareness that we could be see a potential trend reversal as well. If you're going to enable the money flow index, you can see still over here, we have been forming a clear lower high on the money flow index. So this basically means here is that there is a lot of less buying pressure coming in towards the market right now here, while the prices are still increasing. So yeah, the buyers are looking to get a little bit exhausted. So please be careful. You want to be extremely careful right now with, of course, longing the market right now only towards the upside. And of course, there will become a pullback anytime soon here, but we don't know, of course, if it's going to happen today or tomorrow, or maybe we're first going to increase back towards the 54k and then see a correction, or we're going to move towards the 55k and then see a correction. But I know one thing for sure, and that is that we are going to see a correction before moving up towards a new all-time high, at least here, because that it will be very, very likely to shake out all the weekends, of course, in the market. So right now as well, guys, you have to be paying your attention towards it. Bitcoin on the daily candles. We know we have been talking about it several times here. I will be still remain pretty bearish on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The reason why I'm right now bearish on the Bitcoin daily time frame is because, yes, we are still seeing huge signals that Bitcoin is losing a lot of momentum right now on the daily candles. We are seeing the RSI forming lower highs after lower highs here. We're seeing the price action increasing a high after high. We're just increasing in valuation. Well, we are, of course, still losing buying strength right now. We're seeing the MACD forming a trend reversal signal. We're seeing the RSI forming a trend reversal signal. And we're seeing the money flow index forming as well a trend reversal signal. So, yeah, 3 different momentum indicators. And these are also the momentum indicators where I'm purely trading on, are right now giving us a signal that we're about to see a trend reversal, guys. You can see over here, this trend towards the upside has been here already for 48 days here. That's, of course, beautiful to see here. But usually these trends over here, in the previous run up here, this one lasted for 31 days approximately, and then we saw a minor trend towards the downside for 10 days here. Then we moved up again here. So personally, I will be still approaching this the same way here. I do think, yeah, we could be seeing, let's say, a 10 days cool off period with maybe a 10 to 15% correction, then move up once again here. And then, of course, cool off period, then move up once again here, cool off period, move up once again. I should definitely highly approach it like this here. Please don't think that we're just only going to go straight up here. So be careful with longing the market right now, in my opinion, because yes, we're seeing huge signals of huge bearish indicators before the market is really going to move up once again here. And of course, the higher we're going to increase here, the less significant, of course, the correction will be here. And let's see as well how much longs are currently active here. Because if you're looking to Bitcoin, this is, of course, a thing that is getting me a little bit more worried here. So if you're looking to the long positions, guys, you can see right now from this high over here, and since, of course, the trend towards the upside was getting started here, we were seeing an approximately 27% correction here in the Bitcoin longs here. So it looks to be that a lot of big players are right now going out of the market in terms of their long positions, and that is maybe signifying that they know more than we know right now. So please be careful with this, because yeah, this could be, of course, signifying that we're maybe going to see a very severe correction, of course. And yeah, right now I will be still remain careful here, because for me, yes, the daily time frame is a lacking indicator, guys. That's the thing that you have to know here. Usually, if you're going to create a bearish divergence on the daily time frame, it could be taking several days, several weeks here before you're going to correct, just like we saw over here. Because if we're looking back towards the period here in the beginning of 2021 here, we have been seeing as well several bearish divergences playing out here on the MACD, on the RSI, but it took some time before correcting. But if we are going to see such a correction, I mean, yeah, look at these corrections, guys. I mean, you want to be paying your attention towards it. So here we were seeing an approximately 26% correction here. After that, we were seeing an approximately, let me see, 18% correction. Over here, we saw, of course, an approximately 27% correction here. And over here, of course, in January, we were seeing an approximately as well 31% correction. So personally, I don't think that's going to be such a significant correction once again here, but I do expect that Bitcoin could be maybe see as well in a 10 to 15% correction before once again moving up here, maybe back to the 45k, and then start to move up once again here. So it's going to be important to pay your attention towards this right now here. We're seeing a huge amounts of momentum losses right now getting created here on the of course, on this this push towards the upside right now, but there are a lot of people, of course, standing on the sideline still to catch this next dip here that we're about to get creating, and maybe because of a lot of people standing right now on the sidelines, we won't be seeing this dip. So pretty interesting what we're right now having here, but there will be, of course, come a reversal anytime soon here. Will it be coming at the 60k? We don't know. Will it be coming at a new all-time high? We don't know for sure. But of course, I already took out 20% of my Bitcoins, of course, and Ethereum combined by them. I will be looking forward towards how this is going to end here. And of course, I still have 80% of my portfolio exposed towards it. But for me, it's purely risk management, and I could be affording to see this 20%, of course, become even 15%, because the rest of my portfolio is still increasing, right? So, yeah, trying to raise the awareness about what we are currently seeing, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again here to this amazing new video here on the channel. Make sure that you stay safe here, and make sure that you're going to keep your attention on Bitcoin right now here. Because yes, we are running into some critical resistance, and we'll be talking later today as well about Ethereum, because Ethereum is right now, of course, losing some valuation compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been increasing very significantly, and it looks to be that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin broke down of this symmetrical triangle. So guys, we'll be keeping you guys up to date here later about this on my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.